Hello, with Gardner Intelligence, I'm Michael Guckes, Chief Economist, here to share with you the latest data from the Gardner Business Index for August of 2018. August's reading of 57.1 reverses a 5-month trend in which we saw the index either flat or exhibiting declining or decelerating growth. The turnaround that we saw this month was very interesting because it was broad-based. We saw 5 of our 6 indicators post strong accelerating growth numbers. And similar to the stock market, we like to see a broad-based movement upward because it tells us that there's more likely a macroeconomic factor that is pushing that growth higher as opposed to a one-off event. Among the 6 components that build our index, supplier deliveries continues to post the best numbers of all of our components. For a 4th consecutive month in a row, supplier deliveries has outperformed our other components. Lastly, August represents the 16th month of consecutive backlog growth. Having 16 consecutive months of backlog growth tells us that manufacturers should be able to handle small volatility and new orders growth into the future, and so we're very encouraged by what we're seeing in the economic data. To learn more about our products and services, I would encourage you to visit our website at gardnerintelligence.com.